Okay, just received the new Katabatic quilt. It's a 15-degree flex quilt. So I'll be doing an unboxing to see what this thing looks like. Alright, well, let's see what this Flex 15 quilt looks like from Katabatic. Unfortunately, I have to do a little bit of a cut here to get access to the box. Yeah, that's not so easy. Okay, here we go. Sweet. Let's see what's in the box there. It looks like the cotton bag that the quilt goes in and the quilt itself under that. Along with the receipt and this, a sticker. So let's open up this quilt and see what we have here. Alright, well, here's the bag. This is a nice bag that the quilt can be put into. It's very large, as you can see. Some directions. A couple of flexible straps for the quilt. And the 2 cords to attach to your air mattress, along with a stuff sack. Pretty sizable stuff sack. Let's pull the quilt out and take a quick look. Okay, this one is 900 fill goose down. It's the dry treated Pertex tag. Tag about the Pertex Quantum Katabatic gear tag. This is a Flex 15 wide 6 foot. And there's the tag for the down. It's 900 fill. So let's take a look. Spread this out. Alright, well, as you can see, it's pretty much 6 foot long. There's no doubt about that. This is the foot box with pretty heavy duty snap. And there should be a pull cord here somewhere. Right there. This is the thing that they sell, that when you close a foot box, this down prevents drafts from getting inside the foot box. And it's starting to fill up with some air, starting to fluff up a little bit. Obviously, this is the bottom. So up at the head, you have this goose down draft collar, which there should be a drawstring here somewhere, right there, that can be pulled. So as you're inside, you can pull that. Heavy duty snap again at the top with some pretty hefty material here, which prevents the snap from pulling out. And then the entire quilt can be unzipped all the way. And it can be used as a blanket, which is pretty cool. So all in all, first impressions is it looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get this zip back up. And this is an elastic strap, which helps to keep the quilt around you. And these are where the two straps that I showed you earlier connect to. That's where these straps attach. One at the bottom, one at the top, and also the pull cord comes in the bottom when it's on your sleep pad. Alright, well, as you can see, it's fluffing up quite nicely. Let me flip it around here. Yeah, I think that's actually pretty nice. Foot box in the top up here. So nice job, Katabatic. Very nice job. Okay, we get a close up of the tags. As you can see, it's a 900 fill, 17.9 ounces. Flex 15 degree, wide 6 foot. Okay, we're going to weigh this quilt in its packaging, and it has not only the quilt inside, but it also has the two elastic straps and the two cords that go onto the air mattress sleeping pad. Let's turn this on and let's weigh it, see what the final verdict is. 1 pound, 13.6 ounces. That's pretty impressive for a 15 degree quilt. Absolutely. I'm very, very happy with that for sure. Alright, just to give you an idea of what it looks like in the stuff sack and the dimensions, even though it looks huge on the screen, it's about 15 inches by 8. So the stuff sack size is 15 inches long by about 8 inches in diameter, and I'm sure it could be stuffed smaller than that once you get it inside your pack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.